So how many of you have children with back pain? My name is Chris, and I'm a massage therapy instructor with Carrington College. And today we're going to ask the question, are backpacks attacking your child's back? Overloaded backpacks and improper use of them could be contributing factors to your child's back pain. There's a growing trend of children complaining of not only back pain, but fatigue and other physical stresses that doctors say could be contributing to the load that backpacks are placing on a child's spine. So today we're going to show you some tips and techniques that you can utilize to not only alleviate your child's back pain, but even prevent back pain from happening. And as you can see, we have a student with a backpack, and we're going to turn her to the side. And some of the tips that we want to talk about here is first making sure that the backpack is in the proper position. We want to make sure the backpack is in the center of the back. We don't want it too low or too high, which can then affect the weight and cause them to lean forward or back, putting undue pressure on the spine. We also want to make sure that we are wearing it on both shoulders. The two-strap backpack is there for a reason. This is going to distribute the weight evenly and not put too much pressure on one side or the other, which again causes a lot of physical stress to the muscles of the spine. Also too, it's important when you're loading the backpack to put all the heaviest items towards your child's back. That way the weight is more centered to the body and takes less pressure off the spine. So these are really important techniques that you can utilize that will help alleviate or prevent some of your child's back pain. But now I want to show you some massage techniques that you can do right in the comfort of your own home that you can do safely and effectively to help alleviate some of your child's back pain. So as you can see, we are going to be performing this massage on a massage table, but certainly you can do this anywhere in your home that your child's going to feel comfortable. Typically on the floor, soft firm surface really works well, but work with your child to wherever it's going to be very comfortable for them. Also, keep in mind that your child may have a shorter attention span and may not be able to lay down for a long period of time. Don't force a massage with your child. Work with their attention span on whatever's going to be comfortable for them. So let's go ahead and show you some techniques that can be very effective in relieving some of your child's back pain and tension. So we're going to start off with the first technique. It's called a figure eight, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to perform a figure eight while we apply the oil or lotion. Today we're using an oil. Start out lightly, and then as we spread the oil evenly, we'll firm our pressure up and just do nice long flowing strokes here in a figure eight pattern. Now, when you're thinking about choosing an oil or lotion, this is a relatively short massage, so typically it's not going to matter too much. But again, if you can get a good quality massage oil or lotion, those certainly work best. You don't want anything that's going to evaporate too quickly or be too greasy, but anything with good quality will certainly work in this case. So after we've done the figure eight, we're going to go right into a gliding stroke along the muscles of the spine, up around the shoulder, and back down again. So these long flowing strokes are what really creates a relaxation response. It really relaxes the muscles, reduces that tension. And again, make sure you're also paying attention to the bony structures of your child's back. You're going to be working with a smaller frame than you typically would with an adult, and so we want to watch out for the spine and shoulder blades and make sure we're not applying a lot of pressure on those bony structures. Now, after we've done this several times, we can move up to the shoulder, and we're just going to apply a nice kneading technique to the top of the shoulder. Typically, we have a lot of tension in this area. Be careful, this could be quite tender on your child. So massage gently here, but it's an area that has a lot of tension, and it's really a nice area to massage and to be able to loosen up and relax these tissues. From there, we can go ahead and do a circular technique with our fingertips. Right to that same area and up into the neck a little bit. Again, we hold a lot of tension in the neck and upper back. And so this can feel quite good. And then our last technique we're going to do is simply going to come back and glide a few more times up the spine again, just to finish this side of the back. Because again, remember, all our techniques were on this side of the back. And then once we've done that, we can then repeat that exact same sequence to the other side. And once we've done both sides, it's great to come back and finish with that figure 8 technique, just to close it up. Feel like we've kind of come full circle. We're closing up the massage. And then once we're done with that, let's go ahead and we'll cover up our child. Let's keep that back nice and warm. We did all that great massage work. Let's keep that back nice and warm. Just like that. So as you can see, it doesn't take long to provide a safe and relaxing massage for your child in the comfort of your own home. This will not only be a rewarding experience for your child in reducing their back pain and tension, but it will be a rewarding experience for you knowing that you can make a difference in making your child feel better. I hope you try these basic massage techniques at home, and don't forget about our backpack tips. Thank you for watching.